Do you like it, Jackie? Yeah. Hello everyone! Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So welcome to our channel, and for today's video is ang aking kaarawan. So birthday ko today. So ngayon is igagala ko ang mga anak ko sa town para celebrate na rin sa birthday ko, at mamaya pag uwi namin is magluluto ako ng pansit para sa birthday ko. Pansit pampahaba ng buhay. So, ganyan naman sa atin kapag birthday, hindi mawawala ang pansit. So, yun ang handa ko sa aking kaarawan ngayon, ang pansit. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching. Outfit ni Cassie. Outfit ni Jackie. Tsaka outfit ni Philia. Yawa. Yan outfit ni Jackie, ballerina. Are you ballerina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Kasi, what are you getting? Dito kami ngayon sa Asian store. Si Jackie, si Cassie. Si Cassie gustong bumili ng spaghetti sauce na de coco, kaong, makapuno, tsaka meron silang ubi halaya. Marami sila. Si Jackie.
I'm here.
So what you gonna get?
Should I get all of them? All the flavors? Or just one?
What do you want to make? Macaroni salad or
Yes.
fruit salad?
Should I get macaroni? Should I get all of them?
Yeah, get the kaong.
That's the cocoa.
Yan na de coco.
Both of them.
You want both?
Yeah.
Get the makapuno. Get the ubi halaya.
Will be halaya.
Nangumpra na si Cassie. What else we need? So, kumuha din kami ng bihon. Ayan. Ayan, nagbihon. Nag-grocery kami dito.
Chucky!
Puro Filipino. Tingnan, kinuha namin. Meron dun silang mga frozen product. Come here, Jackie! Ayan, tusino, longganisa. May ano din sila, oh. May durian. Ayan, yung iba pa. Tsaka meron din silang paa ng manok. Chicken feet, Adidas.
Squishy. Baby.
Ayan, munggo. Ayan. Meron din silang sago, yung maliliit na green na sago. Kumuha ako ng munggo. Ayan, meron silang rice flour, glutinous flour, tapioca flour. Ayan, may bigas din. So, kompleto sila lahat dito. May instant noodles din doon. Ayan, maliit lang siya pero kompleto. Ayan. Are we going home now? Finish shopping?
Thank you.
Kasi,
Thank
need something else or you're right?
Thank you.
Shall we go home now? Okay, uwi na kami.
We go.
Come on, let's go.
Unless you want something.
Eat.
Hey. Stop.
You like it? Yan yung handa sa birthday ko. Handa sa aking kaarawan, ang bihon. Yan. Yan yung kay Philia, plato ni Philia. Ito naman kay Jackie. Jackie, nice? Eat. Yan, paborito yan ni Jackie. Pansit beef. Tsaka ni Philia din. So, nandito na naman kami ngayon sa aming karinderya at umuulan sa labas. Ayan. Wala na pala. Tumigil na palang ulan. Where's Philia? Come, Jackie, keep eating.
I can't see the K-pop Demon Hunters movie.
After. Eat. Ginawan pala ako ni Philia ng birthday card. Ayan. Drawing yan ni Philia. Tsaka yan yung handwriting ni Philia. Ayan, oh. Happy birthday, mommy. Tapos lagyan niya ng cake at coffee. Kasi mahilig ako sa coffee. At ito yung sa loob. Ayan. Dear mommy, happy birthday. Remember, we all love you so much. Tapos, ayan, love from Yan, kay Philia, handwriting ni Philia, handwriting ni Jackie, handwriting ni Cassie. At yung nakalagay na Papa, kay Philia yan handwriting. So, ayan. So, homemade birthday card, tsaka homemade cake ang ginawa ni Philia para sa aking birthday.
Cookie run.
So, ngayon, it's Linggo. So, Sunday today. So, ngayon, kami celebrate ng aking kaarawan. Yung proper na celebration sa aking kaarawan. So, syempre, family lang. Tapos, syempre, magluluto ako ulit ng pansit bihon. Kasi last Thursday, yung birthday ko, August 28, nagluto ako ng pansit bihon. Yun lang yung handa namin. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ulit ng pansit bihon. Kasi yun naman talaga sa birthday natin is either pansit bihon or pansit gisado ang handa sa birthday. Hindi yan mawawala kapag may handaan sa birthday. So ngayon, yan ang lutuin ko. Pansit bihon at saka nag-request si Cassie ng tapsilog. So dalawa ang handa sa birthday ko. Ang pansit bihon at saka tapsilog, and si Philia is gumawa ng cake kahapon para para pag mag-sing ng happy birthday, yun yung i-blow ko. Kaya lagyan ng kandila, tapos mag-blow ako dun sa candle na ginawa na cake ni Philia kahapon. So, hope you like this video, and I'm gonna start cooking now para mag-celebrate kami mamaya sa aking kaarawan. Ito yung gagawin kong tapa. Ito, rump steak. Ayan. So, mamarinate ko muna to at saka i-slice ng maninipis para madaling luto. Tapos, mamaya after 1 hour is piprituhin ko na to para gawing tapa. So, ayan na yung mga ingredients sa aking mga lutuin for today. So, magluto ako ng pansit bihon. Ayan, may karning maliit na hiwa. Ayan, mga ingredients. Cabbage. Magluto din ako ng ginisang gulay or sinabawang gulay, talong at saka talong at saka patula. At ayan yung tapa para sa tapsilog. So ayan yung mga ingredients sa aking lulutuin para sa aking kaarawan. Sinabaw ko pala yung gulay, ayan. So meron kaming sinabawang gulay, gagaan ng buhay sa sinabawang gulay. At ayan na yung pansit bihon. Pansit bihon gisado. So, simple lang ang handa ko sa aking kaarawan. Pansit bihon, tapa, at saka sinabawang gulay. So, ayan na yung tapa. Pinarito ko yung tapa. Minarinate ko ng 2 oras. Saka hiniwa ko ng maninipis. Ayan. Para madaling maluto. Yan na yung ready na, oh. Yung luto na. At itong sinangag. Red rice na sinangag. Ayan. So, ayan. Ready na yung handa sa aking kaarawan. So, ayan. Ayan, oh. Nalagay ko na yung itlog sa mga plato namin. Para sa tapsilog. Ayan. So, tapsilog, tapa, sinangag, at saka yung itlog. So, meron din pansit bihon at sinabaw na gulay. So, ayan. So, yung yung minarinate ko sa tapa is, ininit ko, saka yan, ginawa kong sauce para sa sauce ng tapa. Masarap kasi yan. So, ayan, yung simpleng handaan sa aking kaarawan. So, simple birthday.
No, I'm joking.
What's this?
I don't know. Just whatever. Where do you get it from? Okay, throw it away.
Here.
No, put it in the bin.
What's that?
It is fat. Now put it in the bin. My favourite. Wash your hand. Don't put it like that. Wash your hands. Look. And is this pancit?
Yeah.
What kind of pancit? Bihon. bihun.
Awesome.
I love bihun.
Awesome. Bobby, Bobby, I want test.
What you want? Bihon?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's
What's
can I have some in a bowl?
B10. Carl, is that
There you go, I just
soup?
love carrots.
Mommy, is that soup?
Yeah, it's a vegetable soup.
Mommy, I want soup in my bowl too. Can I have soup in my bowl?
You want the tapa? The meat, the tapa? Yes or no?
Yes, please.
Okay, yeah. Go.
Thank you.
You want the sinangag, the rice? Or you alright?
I want
I'm gonna start off with soup.
I want this.
With soup, then I'm gonna get lots of zucchini.
I don't like zucchini. I like Chinese salad.
That's Filipino.
No, the Chinese cabbage.
Oh, no, the one Jackie actually tried. She didn't like it.
I said, please, well, no zucchini on it.
How about aubergine?
Oh, I just like aubergine.
Just the cabbage?
My food. It's not the Chinese one.
No, the one they make kimchi.
It's not Chinese cabbage.
Yes.
I like Chinese cabbage. They're my favorite. Zucchini.
Okay?
Okay. Time to eat. Say 1 minute. Don't forget the rice.
You're gonna eat or now? There's some nice soup.
Jackie, slowly. Put
Jackie!
Put little bit on your mouth, bueng. Paborito yan ni Jackie, pansit, bihon. Tsaka yung pansit na normal pansit. So ito yung handa sa Hakarawan sa birthday ko. Jackie, kasi do you like the food?
It's his birthday lunch for you.
Yes, my birthday lunch. Do you like the food, Philia?
good.
Do you like it?
No, I love it. Favorite as well.
Hello, Bobby Wobby birthday. Birthday lady. Mommy Wobby. Hello. Happy birthday, Bobby Wobby birthday lady.
Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Jackie Waki, little lady.
Happy birthday, mommy. Enjoy your food, mommy.
Thank you. Huh?
She wants this is real. Look at your tree.
What's the party?
What's the party here in the living room?
Yeah.
You gonna make party for me?
Yeah, so we're gonna say happy birthday. Mommy,
Yeah.
I think so. I got very bigger.
Very bigger.
That. I'm gonna eat this all.
Because,
Do you like it, Jackie? Yeah.
I got coffee.
Eat slowly and eat properly, okay?
Copying Jackie.
Don't copy silly kasi.
No, I was on copying Jackie. Jackie was the person to do that.
Huh?
I was on to actually copy Jackie.
Coffee car.
Who's copycat?
Coffee.
You had a copycat.
So, ayan, nagustuhan nila yung hinanda ko sa aking birthday. Simpleng handaan lang. Yung asawa ko pagod na pagod. Galing din sa karinderya. May inaayos doon.
I want bigger.
Kaya yan.
Bigger.
Pagod na pagod siya. Kanina pa yan siyang umaga tapos ngayon tanghali nakabalik. Kaya yan. Hagad yung mukha. Palagi naman hagad ang mukha niyan. Kasi palaging pagod. Hardworking kasi. Daming nakain ni Jackie. Pansit. Sad face kasi. Okay, what's that face? Buang mata.
Oh, what's up? Why was Jackie doing this?
Eat properly. Stop doing silly. Just copying you kasi. At dahil birthday ko ngayon is mag-karaoke muna kami. Sige. Given the throne, I didn't know.
But you imposter and the songs that I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no choice when all these voices hit me pointed towards nowhere. This is easy. Ready.
Ito yung cake na gawa ni Philia. So, cake made by Philia para sa aking birthday. So, ito yung birthday cake na ginawa ni Philia for me.
We can't wait to sing.
Yeah.
I got that's so good. Did you have some type of
We start now.
Okay. So, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Yay! 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 Yay!
Yes.
Mommy, but my little also kind of melt to the cake.
Slow, quick, quick. Yay!
Yay! Well done, Jackie. Because the candle's melting.
So
Okay, now it's
Am I
time
on
to
the
eat Philia's homemade cake.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Let's cut the cake.
How can I like that?
awesome.
Yes, of course.
I want to do it first. I want a piece first.
You want it first?
Yes.
Okay. You naughty girl.
What did you hear me? What did you hear, Bar?
For Jackie.
Jackie. Wow. And that one's for you? Oh, make it smaller.
For Cassie. It's chocolate Graham
Thank
cake
you.
made by Philia. So thank you for making
You're
my
welcome.
birthday cake, Philia. So
And
let's
then last
try.
slice for mommy.
Let's try Philia's cake.
Get the rest of these as well.
So try natin yung gawa ni Philia na cake kung masarap ba. Oh,
Time to try.
let's try birthday cake.
Nice.
Very
Yay, thank you.
I love it.
I really am glad you enjoyed it.
better than the cake shop.
Yay!
Yummy, yummy.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Have a great birthday week.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, and I hope you really enjoy the cake.
Yeah. Do you like Philia's cake? Kasi. Yeah.
Yeah, my cake is the best.
Yes.
Taste,
Very yummy.
taste my own cake.
It's better than the cake shop.
It's better than the water one.
Do you like it, Jackie?
Yeah, it's better than the water one.
It's better than the rotten one.
It's sweet and soft. It's still soft. I love it.
Yeah.
I love my own cake.
I love it because it's not that very sweet like the one you buy from the cake shop. Well done. Very nice. Kasi stand up. I like your outfit. Stand up. Turn around. You look nice on your outfit. How about you, Philia? Stand up.
Do you like my socks?
Uh-huh.
I got them from AliExpress.
Turn down. Good.
Do I look good?
Uh-huh. Stand up. Wow. Are you wearing dress today?
Yeah.
Celebrate mommy's birthday. Yeah.
Mommy, birthday lady.
Yes.
Mommy, birthday lady.
Ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aming video for today. And maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta at sa panonood nyo sa aming mga vlog at sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. So alam nyo na, always and forever, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video na rin. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. And see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss.